Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: updated UPI app, camera permissions granted, and the phone number linked to your bank. First action: open the UPI app and go to Settings or Security immediately. You will see a biometric or Face ID option. Tap it. The app asks to verify your bank account PIN or OTP to confirm identity, so be ready. Once authenticated, you'll be prompted to position your face in the frame. Move slowly and keep even lighting for accurate capture. Now you perform the capture sequence. The app guides you through several short steps to map facial features. Move your head gently when prompted so the system collects multiple angles. This improves anti-spoofing and reliability. Make sure glasses or masks are removed unless the app supports them. The app may request eye blinks or a smile to verify liveliness. Comply quickly. Once done, the system processes the data and links the biometric token to your UPI profile, so future payments can authenticate. Finish by enabling Face ID for payments and choosing a fallback like UPI PIN or fingerprint for rare failures. You should test with a small payment or a quick balance check to ensure smooth authorization. If the system rejects your face later, make sure camera lens is clean and lighting is adequate, then retry enrollment. Most issues resolve with a fresh capture. If problems persist, update the app, clear cache, or re-register your biometrics through the bank's support flow for a definitive reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.